Nobody wants to think that they're smelling musty or like garbage juice. I mean, come on now, we gonna get real. Let's get real. Hey y'all, I am Deja Denise, and if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're returning, please make sure that you are subscribed. On my channel, I talk about my real life experiences by simply being me. So today's video, we're gonna get a little bit intimate. I was blessed to have a mom that I could literally talk to about anything, but I understand that that's not the case for everyone. So we talk about those intimate topics and sometimes embarrassing for some people. So today we're talking about your girl down there. If you've ever felt a little irritated and had to move around or wiggle, if you smelled a little smell that might not be too pleasant and you feel like the entire world can smell you, if you've had some discharge that you know is not from anything that's sexually transmitted, or you just came off of your cycle and your pH is literally out of whack, I've got you covered on a product that I've literally been using for a few months now after my cycle. So I hope that this can help some ladies. You might be struggling with BV or anything like that. I used to be the Google queen whenever I had some issues going on down there, or I would tell my mom so that we can make an appointment for my primary care physician or OBGYN. But sometimes you just want to cure it at home, you know. It might be the weekend and you can't get to a location. So I'm here to help. I'm here to be your big sis today, your mentor, and hopefully answer some questions that you may have that Google might not be answering. Also, if you have any other questions regarding this topic or any other topic, please don't forget to comment down below and let me know any concerns or questions that you may have. If it's too intimate or a little bit too personal and you just want to like kind of talk about it offline, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm super active on there and happy to help with anything that you may need. So we all know that our vagina is a self-cleaning oven, and that's totally understandable, but sometimes she needs a little bit of help. And let's be honest with ourselves, sometimes we have the real cute tight jeans, really snug leggings, the super lacy underwear. No ma'am, not all the time. Like, yes, you can be cute, but sometimes get some cotton panties, let your girl breathe at night. Bacteria loves, I don't really want to use this word, moist. But bacteria loves moist, warm environments, and that just is what it is. So check yourself before you wreck yourself, boo. Maybe you forgot your favorite soap that you use and you use a scented one or a new one. You ate something that was high in sugar or high in salt or carbs and it's got you all out of whack down there. Maybe you're even on some birth control that has your hormones kind of fluctuating as well as coming off of your cycle, and even after you have sex, like, your body can really get out of whack. There may be some discharge or a little smell or a whole lot of smell depending on whatever you have going on. And I want you all to know that that's perfectly normal and just about everybody goes through it. Don't feel embarrassed or alarmed whenever something like this does occur. Now, if it's like dripping green pus, not a yeast infection kind of itch, now we need to go to the doctor, and that's a totally different situation, right? But if you've ever had a yeast infection before, BV, you know, a slight itch but not anything crazy, or a little bit of discomfort, then you know that you can kind of self-diagnose yourself at this point. So I know for some people they have chronic BV. If you don't know what BV is, I will put an explanation right here. I am not a health professional. I am just sharing my experiences with you all, and this may occur whenever you have an overgrowth of bad bacteria going on. I know for me, every time after my cycle, I get uncomfortable. My pH is out of whack and I just feel terrible. So Feminiva is an all-natural boric acid suppository that helps to treat and prevent recurring yeast infection, vaginal odor, bacterial vaginosis, dryness, itching, and excessive discharge. So my friends at HealthFare actually reached out to me and were super kind to sponsor this video. They are 600 milligram boric acid suppositories. This bottle comes with 30 and the capsule looks like this. This product was developed by doctors and clinical pharmacists, so when you have great backing like that, you know that it's not harmful for you. If you're not too familiar with boric acid, it helps put the vagina back in its acidic state. I know before, when I didn't really know a bunch about the healthy things to do whenever you have your pH out of whack, I would douche, which is terrible for you. I would use creams or gels that are not good for you. And once I started using boric acid, y'all, amazing, an absolute life changer. So HealthFare sends 30 capsules along with 7 applicators. You can insert it with your finger, but I think that the applicators are a really nice touch. So when you are done, please be sure to discard these, okay? You don't want to stick it up there and then use the same disgusting applicator, right? It's kind of a situation where it's like out with the old, in with the new, and you don't want to transfer that back and forth. So I typically do this when I get out of the shower and right before bed. So I will literally lay on my bed and insert the suppository up. And once it's in, I lay down. I don't really want to move. I kind of get everything done before I lay down so that it won't fall out and it can get all up in there and do what it needs to do. So like I said, I did this right after my cycle. I'm usually good after one night of doing this. I know for some people they need to do the entire 7 days. And I want to remind you guys that this product is meant to be reused. So if you have some discomfort that does come back, just be sure to pop another one back in. If your applicators are gone, clean your fingers. Do what you gotta do. For some people, you may want to put a panty liner in your underwear when you go to sleep so that it doesn't leak out. If you're laying down though, flat, it won't leak out. You'll pretty much see it when you get up to use the restroom in the morning. It'll come out in the toilet or whatever. So after I do that, like I said, I'm good for one day. I'm pretty much good until the next month when my cycle comes or whenever I feel a little bit of discomfort again. And then I'll pop another one right back up in there. I do have a discount code to get 20% off of the product. So be sure that you take advantage of that. Who doesn't want a discount, right? Especially on a product that's really, really going to help you. But I also have everything regarding this product and HealthFare and Feminiva all linked down below. I hope this video was super helpful for someone, and I hope that this product will aid in some kind of comfort for someone as well. Like I said, please reach out to me with any questions that you may have. Share this with your friends too, sis. Like, the more knowledge that you acquire, be sure to pass this along to your tribe, because not everybody's talking about this and some people feel really, really subconscious about it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Major wanted to make a cameo throughout the entire thing. I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. Bye.